western St. Clair County until 6:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:57
I'm like
a.m.
under a
Central
lot
Daylight
of severe
Time,
weather
a
alerts,
severe
and I've been
thunderstorm
posting
was
a lot on
located
my
near the
other
moving
account,
northeast at
not even
65
on
miles
this
per
one.
hour.
Dude,
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind
a lot
gusts.
has changed since I've
Source, radar
returned.
indicated. Impact, expect damage to
I
roofs.
have all my other
Sighting
videos.
and
They're just
trees.
like all scattered
Locations
everywhere now.
impacted include northeastern Birmingham, Vestavia Hills, Trustville, Pell City, Irondale, Leeds, Moody, Springville, Odenville, Margaret, Argo, shops of Grand River, Bald Rock, Barber Motorsports Park, Harrisburg, Branchville, Alton, Lake Purdy, Logan Martin Lake, and Camp Winnetasca. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Jefferson, and St. Clair.
You've been getting a lot of SVRs from my county. The county keeps getting a lot of SVRs.